To get started, you want to arrange your threads in colour order on your board. Now you want to keep the same colours together all across. I've got 14 threads and 7 different colours, and I've gone for a rainbow colour theme, but you can go for whatever colour scheme you want depending on what your favourite colours are, or maybe team colours or something. I've just gone for rainbow just so it shows up the pattern. So this is a 2-row repeat pattern, and for your first row you're going to do all forward knots across your row. For your second row, you want to ignore the first and last threads, and then starting with thread 2 and 3, you want to do a forward backward knot, and you want to do forward backward knots for the rest of the row. For row 3, you want to repeat what you did in row 1, and you want to repeat rows 1 and 2 all the way down until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be. And when you've finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. Now I've finished off with braided tie-on ends, but you could finish yours however you prefer.